Enter the captivating realm of future cuisine, where precision harmonizes with flavor and innovation enhances every culinary adventure. Welcome to TechRevolt, your definitive companion in exploring the marvels of food processing technology. In this video, we plunge into the timeless argument, machines versus humans. Brace yourselves for an exhilarating journey ahead. The type of bread determines the dough preparation and baking process. In bread making, mixing, fermentation, and baking are crucial for achieving the desired product quality, affecting its volume, texture, and appearance. These findings emphasize the importance of specific techniques for each bread type and the need for careful adaptation when scaling recipes. The primary goal of milk pasteurization is to eliminate harmful bacteria, ensuring the milk is safe for consumption and addressing public health concerns. This process not only removes pathogens, but also destroys bacteria and enzymes that could spoil the milk, significantly extending its shelf life. This technique ensures milk remains a safe and durable product for consumers. Cheese making offers numerous benefits, including the ability to create customized recipes, allowing for the production of multiple products on the same processing line. It ensures a high-quality, nutritionally rich final product with extensive customization options. The process is designed for maximum efficiency, minimizing waste, and maximizing yield. Advanced technologies contribute to significant energy savings. This invention introduces a method and apparatus for preparing at least partially cooked bacon by bypassing traditional, long-term curing and smoking processes. This technique realizes significant efficiencies by integrating curing and cooking into a continuous operation, demonstrating considerable savings and advancements over traditional methods. Chickens are slaughtered and processed, with the tenderloins carefully extracted from the breast meat. Quality control measures are integral throughout the processing and packaging stages to meet regulatory standards and consumer expectations for a premium product. If you like the content, drop a 1 in the comments below. Beetroot, a nutrient-rich dark red root vegetable, has garnered scientific interest for its health benefits. Further processing into jam, jelly, powder, or chips offers convenient nutrition options. Value addition through diverse products expands market opportunities and economic value, making beetroot a versatile and valuable dietary asset. After harvesting, lettuce undergoes meticulous chopping to achieve desired sizes for salads, sandwiches, or other dishes. This step not only enhances presentation, but also facilitates ease of consumption. Subsequently, the chopped lettuce is carefully sealed in packaging to maintain its crispness, flavor, and nutritional value. This process guarantees that consumers receive high-quality, ready-to-eat lettuce, preserving its freshness from farm to table. Blueberries, known for their taste and health benefits, have surged in global popularity. Processing, primarily freezing and juicing, has become vital, with emerging focus on dewatering and drying for innovative products. Overall, this video sheds light on optimizing blueberry processing, for preserving its nutritional value, guiding you towards a healthier future with each delicious bite. Advanced processing techniques like sorting and grading separate strawberries based on size, color, and ripeness. This ensures uniformity in packaging and enhances consumer appeal. Packaging methods vary from clamshells to punnets, preserving freshness and extending shelf life. Additionally, some processors employ innovative techniques like modified atmosphere packaging to maintain product quality during storage and transportation. Strict adherence to hygiene standards and quality control measures guarantees that consumers receive premium, delectable strawberries, ready to enjoy. As demand surges for healthier snacks, snack processors are diversifying value-added nut options to meet this trend. They're crafting unique flavors, coatings, and blends to entice consumers. Employing methods like oil and dry roasting, seasoning, coating, and blending, snack processors create a plethora of nut snack varieties. With reliable automated processes improving accuracy, creativity becomes the only limit in crafting successful nut snack products. The burger buns production line hums with efficiency as dough is carefully mixed, kneaded, and shaped into uniform portions by automated machinery. Conveyor belts smoothly transport the dough portions through a precise baking process, where they emerge golden brown and fragrant from the ovens. After cooling, skilled workers inspect the buns for quality, ensuring consistency in size, texture, and appearance before they are packaged for distribution. Throughout the line, stringent hygiene protocols are followed to maintain food safety standards at every step of the production process. Burger patty can come in different forms: meat, as well as non-meat. High-protein extruded meat substitutes are popular as plant-based burger patties due to their meat-like texture and processing compatibility. The patty is meticulously crafted through a blend of finely ground meat, spices, and binding agents, shaped into a uniform disc before being expertly seared to perfection on a sizzling grill. A life cycle assessment compared environmental performance of technologies using soy meal and pumpkin seed flour. Baguette lines effortlessly produce top-quality baguettes with minimal manpower, requiring only a few operators. With patented technology, it can produce thousands of baguettes per hour, offering a healthier option with lower costs and high returns on investment. The production line, comprising a steam peeler, hydro cutter, blancher, dryer, fryer, de-oil machine, freezer, and packing machine, boasts maximum automation for continuous, large-scale production. It meets the demands of low energy consumption and high efficiency, leading to significant energy savings. This setup optimizes performance and offers various benefits, including meeting high production demands, energy efficiency, reduced labor costs, and easy maintenance. The compact design of this frozen chicken nuggets production line includes a spiral quick freezing machina, optimizing space while efficiently freezing large quantities. Its advantages include a compact structure, ensuring safety and reliability, with high-quality stainless steel meeting food safety standards. It saves energy, reduces production costs, and offers quality control. The packaging features vibrant graphics and images of the golden brown nuggets to entice consumers. Clear windows or transparent panels may allow shoppers to see the product inside, enhancing its appeal. This specialized assembly typically comprises several stages, starting with the separation of wings from the whole chicken carcass. These portions are then inspected for quality and consistency before being packaged. Packaging involves various methods, including vacuum sealing tray packaging, ensuring freshness and prolonging shelf life. The cereal's automated processing line begins with the raw grains being thoroughly cleaned and sorted to remove any impurities or foreign particles. Following this, the grains undergo precise milling or grinding to achieve the desired texture or consistency, whether it be for flakes, flour, or other cereal products. Next, the processed grains are carefully measured and mixed with various ingredients, such as vitamins, minerals, and flavorings, in precise proportions to create the desired cereal blend. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed the content, please like, comment, and subscribe. Until we meet again, stay safe and take care.